Here's all the materials you're going to need to make this Dremel. You will need a 9-volt battery, a DC motor, a beer cap. It's basically a metal bottle cap from a beer, and an on and off switch. And here's all the tools you'll need to make this Dremel. A hammer, steel hammer, a drill, hot glue gun, a soldering iron. We have here a pair of scissors. Last, the drill bit that will go to your drill. I have a 2mm drill bit here. First, I'm going to go outside, take the hammer, and flatten this beer cap so that it looks like a flat circle. Let's get started with that. Alright people, so this is how it looks like once it's fully flat. So I completely flattened it, you just see. And now we want it to look really shiny. And I'll be right back once I'm finished sanding it with a bit of sandpaper, and you'll see how it looks. Okay, so I finished sanding this thing, as you could see, but in the process I also cut myself. And just so you know, be very careful while making this, because this is kind of dangerous. Alright, so now let's drill in the very center of our beer cap. Let's go. There we go, guys. Alright, so the next step, we have a pair of scissors. I just swapped them out for some better ones. And we have our little blade here that we're going to cut into. And we're just going to create these little cut out these little triangle pieces so we have some jagged blades. Or a jagged blade. Okay, so I cut out those little triangles from this blade, and this is how it's going to look like, but all around. So let's see how it looks like once I'm finished. So this is how the blade should look like once you're finished cutting out all the little triangles. Make it look like a jagged blade, just like this. Alright, so now we're going to need the hot glue gun, the DC motor, and the 9-volt battery. We're going to glue them together. So first we're going to start out by putting a little dabble of glue right on the 9-volt battery. Just a nice drop of glue. And then we're just going to put the motor so that it looks straight, just like that. And then we're going to have the cables running down here, just like that. So this is what we've got so far. Got the battery, the cables, the wires here, and this is the motor. Here, just a quick test so that you can see that everything works. Spins the correct way. The yellow wire goes to the big end here, and the white wire, which is the positive end, goes to the smaller one, the round part here, and yeah. So now we're gonna move on to putting the on and off switch right here. Let's do that. So now, as you can see, I pulled the wire up a little. I'm gonna take my pair of scissors and snip this, just like that. Be very careful here. Don't cut the wire, we're gonna shed it a little. Hold on. And then we're gonna pull this off like that. There you go. Skin the wire. And we're going to do the same exact thing to the other wire, which was part of one before. Like that. Now we have these two. Now we have to solder these two wires to this on and off switch. Let's do that. And make sure you solder the second yellow cable as well to the switch. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is we're going to put a little dabble of hot glue in there. First put the wires inside these little cup thingies, and we're going to put some hot glue on top as well and glue it down. Seems to work pretty good. Alright, so now that we have this, we have to glue the blade onto our motor, the little gear on the end. And so I'm just going to put it in by doing this. Seems to work, but if you want it to hold on really well and not fly off while you're cutting, then I do recommend to put a little dabble of hot glue right here. Probably a bigger dabble, but not too big. There we go. Now just wait till it's dry. Alright, that's about it. We've made our little Dremel tool. Moment of truth, does it really work? By cutting some random objects that I found around my room. Let's go test it out.
Alright guys, that's about it for this video. This little Dremel tool is more like a fun toy, but a dangerous one. Just be careful, you can cut yourself quite bad. And it's more like for cutting small objects, simple ones like wooden skewers, popsicle sticks, plastic bottles, and much more small stuff like that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys! See you next week! Peace!